this Rocky Mountain Flatbread Co. Artisan pizza. So basically it says it's lactose free, but there's no cheese on this anyways. So country harvest and 98% organic. And let's look at the back here. You guys want to read this? Pause the video. Okay, so there's a nutrient panel, and the ingredients are basically white flour, organic white flour, maple syrup. You got some fresh yeast. You got organic tomatoes, celery. Doesn't seem like there's any meat in there, but it does contain wheat. So let's open this up. Okay, so that's what it looks like. It's got like vegetables on top. So it's basically a flatbread. But I'm gonna actually cook this up in the air fryer, so I'm gonna cut it and then stick it in there. So stay tuned, guys. I'll be back. Alright, guys. So here's the flatbread. As you can see, it's all done. Actually turned out pretty good. It actually just fits the air fryer, so I'm gonna do a quick taste test. Give me 1 second. Okay, so I've ripped off a piece because it's so hot, but I'm gonna give you a quick taste test. The crust is super thin and pretty crispy. It's actually really good. Definitely check it out, guys. It's got a nice tomato base to it. The vegetables go out pretty well. Think of it like a pizza without any cheese or anything like that. The tomato sauce isn't really like tart or anything, so it goes really well with the vegetables on it. Think of it like a vegetable flatbread. Alright, stay tuned for more videos, guys. Pretty good.